Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this math Olympiad problem using without calculator, where square root of 5 minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to what? Let x is equal to square root of 5 minus 1. So we are find out x to the power 5 is equal to what? Or taking this negative 1 to left side, we will get x plus 1 is equal to square root of 5. Or now squaring both sides, we can write here x plus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 5 whole square. Or here we can use the algebraic formula, so we can write here x square plus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 square is equal to, we know that this square cancels this square root, so here we will get 5. Or x square plus 2 times x times 1 is 2x plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 5. Or x square, now taking this 2x and this 1 to right side, we will get 5 minus 2x minus 1. So we are find out x square is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 minus 2x. Or again squaring both sides, we can write here x square whole square is equal to 4 minus 2x whole square. Or x square whole square, that means x to the power 4 is equal to, now here we can use the algebraic formula, so we can write here 4 square minus 2 times 4 times 2x plus 2x whole square. Or x to the power 4 is equal to 4 square, that means 16 minus 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16x plus 2 square is 4x square. Or x to the power 4 is equal to 16 minus 16x plus 4 times, here x square is equal to 4 minus 2x, so we can write here 4 minus 2x. Or x to the power 4 is equal to 16 minus 16x plus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8x. Or x to the power 4 is equal to 16 plus 16 is 32 minus 16 minus 8 is minus 24x. So we will get x to the power 4 is equal to 32 minus 24x. We need the value of x to the power 5. So we can write here x to the power 4 times x to the power 1 is equal to, here x to the power 4 is equal to 32 minus 24x times x is equal to, let square root of 5 minus 1, so we can write here square root of 5 minus 1. Or here we will get x to the power 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to 32 minus 24x times square root of 5 minus 1. Now remember, let x is equal to square root of 5 minus 1, so we can write here square root of 5 minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 32 minus 24 times x, that means square root of 5 minus 1 times square root of 5 minus 1. Or square root of 5 minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 32 minus 24 times square root of 5 is 24 square root of 5 minus 24 minus 1 is plus 24 times square root of 5 minus 1. Or square root of 5 minus 1 whole to the power 5 is equal to 32 plus 24 is 56 minus 24 square root of 5 times square root of 5 minus 1, or square root of 5 minus 1 whole to the power 5 is equal to, now 56 times square root of 5 is 56 square root of 5 minus 24 square root of 5 times square root of 5 minus 1 times 56 is 56, minus times minus is plus 24 square root of 5, or square root of 5 minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 56 square root of 5 minus 24. We know square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. 5 times 24 is 120 minus 56 plus 24 square root of 5. So finally we will get square root of 5 minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 80 square root of 5 minus 176, and it is our simplified value. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.